Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be my Glossybox. It's a kind of unboxing slash review. It's not really a normal unboxing because I've looked inside it already. But I just get really excited, and I asked my boyfriend Ryan to open it for me, and he kind of brought out the things for me. Was like, ooh, this month you've got this, and it was just really fun to do. And also I thought, normally, obviously I've got my makeup all applied, and if I get something in the box, like a concealer or a primer, something that you can't really put on over top, I can't use it on camera, so I thought I'd have a quick sneaky peek as to what's inside this time, and then I could plan everything accordingly. So that's what I did. So I got this box yesterday. It is just the normal pink box. I was kind of hoping that this month's would be a themed box. I mean, it's bad for me because I always want to keep the themed boxes, and I just don't have room for them. So getting a pink one for me is quite good because I'm like, I know that I don't have to get attached to it. So as always, you get the card, and I can't remember for how many months it is now, but they've changed the card system. And it's just got all of the products that you could potentially get. So it used to just have the products on that you got in your box, whereas now it has, I don't know, like 10, 11 products on it, which is just a mix of what everybody could potentially get, which I kind of, it's obviously just easier for them, isn't it, than having to put specific cards in specific boxes. But it's kind of annoying when you see something and go, oh, I really wanted that, and you know, I kind of got this. But I liked what I got this month. So anyway, the first thing on the card is this Mudmasky Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask. I'm assuming this is a travel size because it doesn't say full size on it. I've had things from Mudmasky before, but things I've had before is actually like a mud mask. So one that you put on, leave on for a few minutes and then take off. This is one that you leave overnight because it's a sleep renewal repair nourishing mask. This one says leave mask on during the night for at least 5 hours, a maximum of 10 hours, and then you remove it in the morning. I really like things like this. It's not tested on animals, it's paraben free, and it also has natural ingredients as well. They're from Amsterdam. They use only fresh, raw, all natural ingredients. The mask hydrates, soothes, and smooths your skin. Well, it's scented with natural rose water. I really like things with rose water, rose scented, lavender scented things for skincare. The RRP for the full size is £61. So I will have a look at what the full size amount is and leave it down below. This one is 20 mils. And from now I'm just going to pick random things out of the box because, as I say, it does have a mix of things on here. I quite like the things that I've got, and I've actually had a lot of the products on here before, the ones I didn't get. And I have had it before in a couple of boxes ago where I got the same product I've had like a year ago, and it's a bit like, oh, I've had that. And it's good if you like it, but if you like it, you'd buy it again anyway. But then if you didn't like it, it's like, well, it's just kind of a waste of a product. Anyway, the first thing that I opened was this, I don't know how you pronounce it, Loué, by, again, Jean Co. And it is the, it's called Erase, and it's a cleansing, exfoliating and brightening powder. So this pH balanced powder cleanses, exfoliates and brightens, leaving skin radiant and smooth. I love skincare. I love anything skincare. So getting skincare in Glossybox is great for me. This is a full size and the price is £11. Full size is 56 grams and it is a powder. So you mix it in with water to make a paste. And so you do get a really decent amount of product in that. So I'm very excited to try it. I haven't used it yet. Perhaps I should have used it. But yeah, it looks really good. Second thing, which I have used, is this Figs and Rouge Soft Focus Pore Perfect HD Matte Veil Hydro Pore Primer. That was a mouthful. This is a full size and this retails for £35, which is amazing. I didn't realise that Figs and Rouge was quite as much of a high-end brand. I've had hand cream from them before and it was nice, you know. This is 30 mils. I've used this under my makeup today. Pre-planning. Here's one I made earlier. Yeah, I use this under my foundation. The foundation I'm wearing now is the Makeup Revolution Fast Base. It's just been released. It's really nice. I filmed a review on it, so I'll link it down below. I use this underneath. It's really nice. I never used to have a problem with my pores until about a year ago when they started to really enlarge, and it frustrates the hell out of me. It really annoys me. But yeah, it's really nice. And the final thing in the box, which I was really excited about, Ryan saved it till last to show me in the box, and it is this Easy Illumination Stick by Laura Geller. I absolutely love Laura Geller. I remember sitting with my mum and watching her when she used to do her sell her products on QVC. She used to do demonstrations. I used to love her, and that was the first, I think that was probably the first foundation I ever had actually that my mum bought for me and my sister, was the Laura Geller Bacon Brighton. Her foundation anyway, the marble foundation, and it's absolutely wonderful. I still love it. It is the only powder foundation that I would use. I've got quite dry skin. I hate powder foundations, but hers is just flawless and gorgeous. So I was so excited to see this in here. So this is what it looks like. It is in the shade Ballerina, which is so pretty. It's kind of like a golden champagne-y shade. It's not the shade I would normally go for a highlighter, but it's Laura Geller, so I don't care. So what does it say on the card? It says, durable and oil-free, this highlighter can be worn on bare skin or over foundation, and the RRP is £19. I'm going to grab a mirror, and I'm going to apply it because I specifically did not wear highlighter for this reason. And I'm just going to apply that at the tops of my cheeks. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it just look at how just like effortlessly beautiful that looks. It just melts into my skin, and it actually doesn't come off too bronzy. It just comes off more as a glow, and it feels quite balmy, which is really, really nice. It's not glittery, it's just like a nice glow, like you've just been out in the sun. Oh, I just love it. Love it. So yeah, overall, I was pleasantly surprised with this box. When I first opened it, I absolutely adored it. The only thing now I'm slightly iffy on is the lipstick. But you know, maybe it just takes some getting used to. I'm just not used to that much of a light pink nude. But it still looks nice. So I'm going to tot up everything that you've got in the box. So I won't count the Mudmasky because obviously it's only a small amount. So overall, without the Mudmasky, this box is worth £80.95, which is really, really good. You're getting such a good deal. Obviously, some months are super duper hit and miss. Like, to be honest, I would have been a bit miffed if I had got any of these other products. But yes, overall, I was unbelievably impressed with this box. I absolutely loved this one. But it's really, really good. Lots of products that I will use. Definitely recommend to other people. My favourites are going to have to be the Laura Geller stick, and I actually really, really like the Figs and Rouge primer, but I am looking forward to using the cleanser as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Of course, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.